Hi there, I'm Vidu from VS Tech Tips. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Sheets, or you can say Google Spreadsheets, for free and online. This is a online tool provided by Google only, and this is to replace the Microsoft Excel. People who cannot buy it or afford it can just use the online version made by Google. So first of all, open up any browser, it doesn't matter which one it is, then head over to the link in the description below. Once you're there, you will have to sign in with Google account, and then you will be on this page. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of things. So first of all, let's start with basics. This is you can see the search button. So here you can search your spreadsheets if you have named them. We have no spreadsheet yet, so it won't show any. Then we have template gallery, start a new spreadsheet. We can start from blank, or we can get and use a template for it. Then we have recent spreadsheets, here where all your spreadsheets will show. And that is it for this home page. Now click on blank to start. We'll start with a blank spreadsheet, so I can tell you the basics of this Google Sheets. Once I clicked it, you will come here. So as you can see, the UI is almost same as Microsoft Excel. It's not very different. Here is a comparison between two. Now here, as you can see, we have this, and we can type numbers in it like normal, and we have all the formatting available, the aligning available as normal in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, let's start with the stuff from the top. So here you can see untitled spreadsheet. We can click on this and rename it. So let me rename it to, so as you can see, it's now renamed into test and saved. We don't have to save it manually, it will save automatically due to Google Drive. Now as you can see, there are many tabs up here, so let's start with individual one. So first of all, go to file. So file, as you can see, it's normal. First you can make new spreadsheet. There is also a template gallery, as I showed you in the front page. Then we have open, import. You can import a spreadsheet into this and then edit it, make a copy of this, share it, email it, download it as any format, rename it, move it, or add to drive, or you can just delete it from here. And then we have settings. So next, edit. So this is the normal edit thing, like undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, move. That normal stuff you can find in every Office or Google workspace. Now here in view, you can show what you want. Like if you don't want the formula bar to show, you can click on it. As you can see, this formula bar is gone. Let me show it again, and as you can see, it's back. So here you can show, if you want to show formulas, you can show. If you want to show protected ranges, you can show. Like it will show you where you can't type or where you can't go. So that was it. And then we have freeze. We can freeze the rows, so you can't write in it. Then we have group. We can group the rows into one, like A, B, we can group them into one. Then we have zoom. We can normal magnification. Then we have full screen. Then in the next, insert tab, here you can insert the cells, rows, columns, and sheets. So the vertical one is called a row, and the horizontal one is called a column, and these individual A3, A4, A5, A6, these are all cells. So here, now back to the insert tab. So insert, you can insert all these things. You can insert a sheet, like here you can show here you can see there's only sheet 1 right now. If I click on sheet, it will insert sheet 2. So that is thing. And then we can insert a chart for like we have to measure something to show something. We can insert a chart, then we can insert a pivot table, an image in cells or over the cells. We can add a drawing function like min, max, sum, average, database question, SQL, Google, financial, all those functions. If you have studied about it, you will know what I'm talking about. Then we have links. We can link to other stuff, like let me click a link. As you can see, it will show me to write a link, so I will write then let me write google.com. As you can see, here it is. Or I can just go on here and then click on this and it will send me to google.com. Then we have checkbox, drop down, smart chips, and comment note. Drop down, you know, this kind of stuff, like here option 1, option 2, you can select, like you can make tests with this. Then we have checkbox, like you want to check false true, like that. Then in format tab, we can change the theme of the spreadsheet. Like if I click on this, so it changes, but we currently don't have anything, so it won't look much change. Like let me change the text to yellow, so as you can see, if I write, it's all yellow. So this was the theme part. Now if we go to format, we have numbers. We can change the numbers according to what they are, like date, time. So for that format we have given. Then we have text. We can bold it, in italic, underground, strike through. Then we have alignments, wrapping, rotation, front size, conditional formatting, and alternating color, like gradient colors. Then in data, we have the main stuff, like for short, we can sort sheet by A to B. Like here if I written A, here if I written B, so I can sort it from column B, Z to A, so like that. Then I can create a filter. We have column stats, data validation, data cleanup, and split text at 2 columns and data connectors. Like we can connect data from this to BigQuery, Looker, and then copy that data from there to here easily. Then we have tools. We can create a form from this. In the next video I will show you how to create this. Then we can check for spellings, like in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. We have an auto checker, like that we can spell check. Then auto complete. So then we have notification and extra. Then these are the extensions. I won't go into extensions for now. So this was the basic of the spreadsheet, how the UI is and how it looks. I will go into depth in the next video and also show you this create a new form thing. So be sure to like and subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends.